Zombie apocalypse.
John Deere 710B Backhoe Loader Service Manual TM1286. Model, John Deere 710B, TM1286. Type, Backhoe Loader. Language, English. Format, PDF. Service Manual No of pages, 1356. See pictures for the table of content. Technical, repair, manual or service manual, for actual service. The John Deere 710B Backhoe Loader Service Manual give you both the general background and technical details of shop service. Fundamentals of service manuals cover basic theory of operation, fundamentals of troubleshooting, general maintenance, and basic types of failures and their causes. This service manual was planned and written in such a way it is made easy to repair your equipment. Refer to it when you need to know correct service procedures or specifications. Using the service manual as a guide will reduce error and costly delay. It will also assure you the best in finished service work. John Deere 710B Backhoe Loader Service Manual TM1286 Sections. General information. 01. Wheels. 02. Axles and suspension systems. 03. Transmission. 04. Engine. 05. Engine auxiliary systems. 07. Dampener drive. 09. Steering systems. 10. Service brakes. 11. Parking emergency brakes. 16. Electrical systems. 17. Frame, chassis, or supporting structure. 18. Operator's station. 19. Sheet metal and styling. 20. Safety, convenience.
Click on Zombie Apocalypse.